No one will ever know it's not my real hair. No one will ever know. Kim, try the salad. Kim, try the salad. Kim. Kim, try the salad. Kim, try the salad. Doubles as a fur coat. Okay? Period. Okay? My God. Stop embarrassing me. God, let me tell you, if you're bald-headed, it's fine if you're bald-headed, but if you have a wig on and you're bald-headed and the wig comes off, Jesus! Oh my God! Okay, so I'm gonna do a wig installation. I've had this wig now from June. Oh, hi, I'm Diamond. Hey, subscribe. I've had this wig since June this year, so like 6 months or something like that. I bought the glue and I got the little stick thing. Sorry about the noise, guys. So I got the glue and I got the little stick thing and I got the wig itself. It is a lace wig, but it's like stupid. So I did try it on before and I took some pics and stuff in it, but it wasn't done properly. So I'm gonna try and do my best. I do not have a flat iron. My mom lent me her blow dryer, so that's all I have. So yeah, let's get started. So this is she. This is the wig. I put this cap on it because it was collecting dust because of how long I didn't even see that I braided it. Okay, period. I didn't even remember that I braided. Okay, work. So yeah, that's the wig. I'm not really gonna do anything special to my hair. I do have the cap. Where's it? Oh, okay. I do have one of these little cap things that you put on your head and you do whatever. So I have one of those. What the hell is going on here? So I do have the cap, and so this is her. Ooh, girl. Okay, so this is gonna be weird because look at that. It's crinkly. Okay, it's crinkly and wrinkly, and the baby hairs, they look like, I don't know what's going on, but it's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna try and work with the blow dryer. It's pretty soft, I guess. I don't know how synthetic hair is supposed to feel because I don't normally wear hair on my head. I don't even like my own hair, but whatever. So I'm gonna loose this braid out. Okay, I thought you said so. Okay, so that's the wig. It is pinned down. I didn't even remember it was pinned down. I got some pins and stuff when I got this mannequin head. It came with some pins. So they're like T-shaped. If you want to see how that looks. That's if this shit would focus. There you go. That's how it looks. Great. Oh, what? T-shaped pins? That's so cool, Diamond. Thanks for showing me. You're welcome. Just give me a second. Let me get this other pin out. I just put 2 pins in it just to try to hold it down. Okay. Boom. Now she bald-headed like me. You better work that bald head, girl. Okay, so oh crap. Okay, so this is inside of the wig. Because I wore it before, it's looking stupid. It's looking jaggedy and stupid, but whatever. So that's it. It comes with some clips inside of it and some other stupid stuff that I will not care about ever in life. And it's like bra. It comes with like a bra strap, extra bra strap. I guess you're supposed to, oh, okay, you're supposed to like clip this part together. And then, I wish you guys could see it right now, but I really, this is the only angle that I can get. Okay, so this, crap, this part, this little hook thing, it should be hooking inside some here, so. I'm hooking it right now. Alright, cool. So I hooked the piece so it's kind of like, it kind of adjusted. And I'm going to do what I see all the, okay, so I do have makeup, but it's not my shade. So we're going to use this one, and this is BLK OPL, so Black Opal, I guess. Gotta use the brain. True Color. Dusty, true dusty, and it is something pore perfecting powder foundation. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put it, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there, and I'm gonna use this, a brush that I've used before, for my, I don't care. Nobody cares. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of the foundation, because as you can see, it's not my shade. I am not this light. Okay, when I went to the place and the lady just put some stuff in the bag, and I was like, that's not my shade, and she's like, yeah, that's you. You're not as dark as you think. And I'm like, excuse me? Excuse me? I'm not as dark as I think. I'm black, period. Okay? Don't try it. Okay, so I'm basically using this, as you can see, and I'm just putting the foundation on the lace to make the lace have foundation on it. Now, looking good. And I'm just gently doing it so it can give me the full coverage. After years of watching Jackie Aina, child, finally I can put some of the knowledge to use. So this is a full coverage foundation, and I'm a guru. Okay, I am a guru, so listen to whatever I have to say. Okay, so now we're gonna do the wig cap, and I have scissors here. Oh, I need to get the thing. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. There's someone passing outside. Okay, her mask is huge on her face. She needs to fix that. Okay, so this is the blow dryer that my mom lent me, which was so nice of her. Love that. And I'm plugging it in. Okay, and it's plugged in, and it has on and off and cool, cold, and something else. Great. And this is from Hair Tool Professional. If you want to sponsor this video, that'd be nice. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, I've done it before, so this is how I know what to do, but I had to watch a YouTube video. I don't remember what video that I watched, but I do watch videos from Kyra Oriana. I don't remember what her name is. I'll link her in the description. I really love her videos. The video quality, like the actual camera that she uses, is really good, and she has a really good personality. Plus the wigs that she do, they look good. You get what I'm saying? The wigs that she use, oh, they look good. Okay. And try whatever. So this is the glue that I got on Amazon, and it is called Catalan or whatever. So that's the glue. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the glue. So I'm just gonna put it around the my hairline, and we're gonna use a blow dryer. We're gonna try to dry the glue as much as possible. Okay, so people always ask me what I use to, yeah, it's getting dry. I love that. People always ask me what I use to get my hair curly. Oh, this looks good. It's almost dry. Okay, I see you. It's turning a different color. So yeah. So that's my trick that I use to make my hair, my natural hair, curly. I just leave conditioner in it when I wash it. I don't wash it and then put conditioner and rinse the conditioner out. I wash it, wash it, let it stay damp, not wet, damp, and then I add conditioner to it. That's what I do. So it's pretty dry. It's not like fully dry, but it's dry enough, and I am lacking in patience. So I'm gonna try to use this mirror up here and cut it because I'd love to be able to see better. Okay. Oh crap, what am I doing? Okay. Oh, my eyebrows are now free. So this is how it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the wig on because I am tired. I know there's another step where I'd add more glue and I'd add more of this and I'd put more of that and this and that, and I'm not doing all of that, you know? I'm not. I'm really not. I don't have the time or the patience. I am not gonna do all of that. day. All right. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I have this this is a definite center. It doesn't even look like it's a center part. It looks crazy. Okay, whatever. That's what happens when you buy cheap wigs online, okay? It's not gonna be a center part. It's not gonna be properly done. It's just gonna be a wig. You wear it if you wanna wear it. Ooh, what lace? What lace? Melt this lace, girl. You better melt this lace, girl. You better melt this lace. I did it way better the first time when I did it off camera, and I was just like excited to have my first wig. I did it way better. But now that I'm a seasoned professional on my second try, I'm just going with the flow. I'm just doing the damn flow. Doing the damn thing, you know? Not this naughty when I first was trying it on. Okay, Diamond, okay. Period. It's not. Oh crap, what is this? Okay. Alright, there we go. No one will ever know it's not my real hair. No one will ever know. Kim, try the salad. Kim, try the salad. Kim, try the salad. Kim, try the salad. Doubles as a fur coat. Okay? Period. Okay? God, stop embarrassing me. God, let me tell you, if you're bald-headed, it's fine if you're bald-headed, but if you have a wig on and you're bald-headed and the wig comes off, Jesus, oh my God. Whew. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Try the salad, Kim. Kim, try the salad. Kim. Oh my God. does it again. Okay. She does it again. Okay. She does it again. When does she does it? When does she does it? When does she does it? My God. You said something? Huh? Can't hear you. Can't hear you over the sound of being the baddest. Okay? Oh, okay. Well, I kind of look a little goodish right now. Okay. What lace? What lace? Huh? Huh? What lace? Where? Where? What lace? Where? What lace? Huh? Where? Where? I'm done. I am done. I'm not letting that wig embarrass me no more. I'm bald-headed and I'm proud. Ooh, it's drying on my head. My God, what is going on? Okay. Gotta take it off for it. Ooh! 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 Shit. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I mean, at this point. Ah, I did not expect it to dry that quickly. Well, I kind of wanted it to dry quickly, but jeez. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try and, this shit is about to rip my whole edges off. Look at that. This shit is about to rip my edges right clean off. Let's put it back. Let's put it back, okay? Perfect, okay? Hi, yeah, that's the look. Okay, so I'm done with this wig and I'm done with everything. Let's put this back. Where did I put this? Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and watch my other videos. I have videos where I'm not doing stupid shit, so watch those. But you can watch the ones where I'm doing stupid shit as well. That's cool too. But don't only watch the stupid stuff. Watch the informative stuff as well. Okay, there we go. She's back. All right, she's back. She's ready. Look at this. Look at this. You'd never know she came off. You'd never know I took her off and put her on just now. Okay? She still looks just as raggedy as before. Okay? Amazing. Oh, it's dusty. That is dusty. Okay, well, let's do the outro, girl. Girl, let's relax. You ain't that cute. Okay. So, as I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. Girl, why are you shaking like that? Like, relax. You know, relax. Like, we get it. We get it. What lays? We get it. So, yeah. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff. Say bye. Bye. She's such a nice girl. It's my daughter. Such a nice. Oh. Don't even try it. Peace out.